It's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. Features include auto-dimming rearview mirror, refrigerated box located in the console, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, V6 engine, dual zone climate control, Honda Link, external memory control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.